The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Overton County in Middle Tennessee, north central Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:45 p.m. At 10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Salina, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Gainsborough, Livingston. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Do not stay outdoors if you are in the path of severe thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Tuesday morning for central Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: Overton, Putnam, Clay, and Jackson County in Middle Tennessee.